The main function of payment method is to pay for your ad. Meta will charge the exact amount which you have used from the bank card which you have added to your ad account. Without a payment method, you cannot even run ad. Another benefit you will get automatic billing system. When you complete the threshold which is given to you by Meta, Meta will automatically charge the amount from your bank account. Meta will do everything automatically. You can check your billing history from here. Let's suppose how much money you have spent the last month. You want to know. Where you will see, you can check it from this section. You can download invoice. Meta will give you an automatic invoice, and this is very much important for your account section. Security control. From payment method, you can control who can see and edit your payment card. This will keep your card information secure. You need to verify your business details. To do this, go to all tools, then go to Ads Manager and click Account Overview. Now you need to confirm these details to verify your business. First, we need to add our payment method. So just click here. Click Add Payment Method. Select the payment method you want. Click Next. Enter the payment details. Then click Save. Once you have added the payment method, next you need to enter the business information and click Save. Next, click on Create Facebook Page. Since we already have a business page, it will be shown here. Just click Confirm. Finally, click on Verify Phone Number. Click Add Phone Number. Enter your phone number. Click Next. Now select how you want to confirm through a message or call. I am going to select message. Click Next. Now enter the confirmation code you received on your phone. Click Submit. Now we have successfully verified our business and set up our business for Instagram ad. So this way you can verify your business and add payment method to your Ads Manager account. So if you have any question related to this, please comment. I will definitely reply. If you like this video or if this video helped you even a little, then please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.